What's up, family? This is your boy Built on the Budget, back with another video. Hey, you know what? I've been using that intro for so long, man, that I kind of like it. Listen, first off, I want to say I appreciate everybody, man, that's watched my videos. How y'all guys are always comment and offer your suggestions and everything. You know, it's been a pleasure doing these videos for y'all guys, and for as long as I've been doing them, it's just something that I love to do. And a lot of times, as a content creator, we don't take enough time to tell the people that support us that we appreciate y'all and all that you do. So today, I just want to say, give yourself a round of applause for being such faithful, Built on the Budget family members. Just want to say thank you for all that you do. Today, do a little video on Armstrong. Everybody, I want y'all to get used to that name, Armstrong, because who is Armstrong Built on the Budget? Bam, right there. 65 Chevy, C10, LS swapped. Today we're gonna be doing a video on my cold air intake setup. As y'all notice, man, that I always had it with that old tape around it, and today I want to change that. I might end up moving this battery box because the jury is still out on it. I might end up moving it to this side over here and put it on the radiator support right there. Of course, I got to move this stuff here anyway, but I don't really know until I get it open up. But yeah, the day video gonna be about that. So let me show you. I just got it yesterday. Y'all see my shadow? Make me look like a big man, don't it? See if I can't turn around where I can get out of the shadow of the video. Okay, I'm gonna get this box open up and kind of let y'all see what it is that's in it. You see people opening boxes on YouTube, and it looks so easy until you try to keep everything in the screen. This is actually the same setup that I got on Baby Girl, identical to what's on Baby Girl. Blue filter. This is the and it has all of these hoses and stuff. I just want to get it all dumped out where y'all can really see the contents of it. Real simple setup. It even came with these nice heat shields. If you know how to make this stuff work, if you can make it fit your application, it's supposed to and then it comes with these little rubber gaskets. I used the last rubber gaskets and put them on my gas tank where it's gonna be kind of hard to see it, I think. I used them right down the edge of my gas tank as an insulator. You ain't able to see it. But I used them on that, you know. But that's the kit I got. And I'm gonna try to set this camera up and show y'all a little bit. If it start looking funky, then I start stopping the camera. I mean, who don't know how to put on a cold air intake? But I watch this stuff all the time on video, so I might as well show y'all me doing it. All right, so let me set this thing up and see what type of shots can I get. Oh man, that don't look too bad, do it? Let me get this thing here off, and see, I don't know which way to run that tube. Would it clear that alternator or not? But I'm gonna try it this way first to see what it clear. I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work. I mean, I know I got to put the mass airflow sensor in there, but on my on baby girl, I got it coming this way here. See how boring of a video this is? This is why I don't really like to do recording when I'm trying to get something done. because it really can make for a bad video, and I don't really know what y'all are seeing on the camera. So let me pause this thing and get something done, and then I'll come back. Okay, now I'm back. And y'all see how I could possibly still get by with leaving that battery box there. I got to put the inner fenders on. It's still some adjustments need to be made, and I got some brackets I can make to kind of hold it up, but my inner fender need to go in before I can make the full determination, because that can affect a lot of things. Okay, so that problem has been pretty much solved, but she looked pretty good there. I still got to get my little bracket. It's a bracket that mounts her, that goes over the radiator, and I can, you know, it mounts the radiator in. I can hold that heater hose up. It's a lot of different things I can do there, but I have to take and play with it. But that looks good, I think. And look, I paid like $40, $41 for this cold air intake. And I mean, you know, I think it was a bargain for the money. It was really the cheapest one that I seen. Now, here's my next problem, which is not a problem. I have to extend. Here's my cable for my mass airflow. On this wiring harness, this is as far as it'll go. So I think I got another one. Standby one. Okay, so I found another wire off of an old wiring harness I have, and I verified. See, here's the plug right here that I'm gonna put on, and here's the plug that I'm gonna splice into. And so I verified the wire colors just to make sure, and then this plug, see if I can get in here and show y'all pretty much how I'm gonna do it. Up under here, plug it in, and I can rotate that plug whichever way I want to. Right now I just got it down on the bottom, but I can rotate it. But I'm gonna take it and, you know, clip it right there. I'm gonna run it down through the motor, up under the throttle body, and I'm gonna come here behind the alternator, and here's it, and here's the other plug-in, and I'm gonna tie them together on this side of the motor. So let me do that, and I'll get back with you. Okay, I done made my connection with the wire. It's right there. I don't know how well y'all can see it, but it's right here. I made that connection, and that's it there. Running along here. These are my battery cables. I got to still shorten them up once I figure out what I'm gonna do about my battery box. But y'all see how it's sitting. And it's not really that bad here. Uh-oh. I don't know how well that fan is gonna operate. Move kind of slow. But there you see it. I just wanted to pull it up, back it up, spin a little tire right there. Still got a lot to be desired with my exhaust. They just up there. Listen, everything that you see right now is basically markup stuff, man. Anytime you put one of these trucks or any type of truck together, man, you got to mark stuff up, and then you got to come back and refine it. And so what I got here, is a lot of markup stuff on this truck, but it's headed in the right direction. I think it looks pretty good as of right now. I think I come a long way, and I like to say, hey, I appreciate all of you that have hung around to see this thing get as far as it has gotten. It's been a long time coming. Still got a long way to go. This is just the tip of the iceberg, man. What I want to say, like I had to extend that cable. Anytime you building a LS swap truck, it's nothing just automatic, man. Sometimes you got to just use your head. You got to work around situations. You got to work around problems. You got to do and redo sometimes, man. When you see these guys, especially on YouTube, that just go out here and have a turnkey project, they don't spend a lot of money, man. And then there are guys out there that has perfected this thing, and they get it right out the gate because they done so many, and they got the places to do them in. But when you doing a backyard build, like myself and many others of you that's out there, you know sometimes, man, you have to lay in the bed at night and troubleshoot. Think about what you're doing. But this truck has come a long way from the day that I bought it home and introduced it to this channel. And it was a long bed, and I had to change the frame on it because the frame was rotted out and it didn't have any floors in it. And for me to put it in gear today and see it pull up and back up, and I hadn't even really took it down the road yet because I don't have any brakes on it. But you know, hopefully the transmission and stuff shift, it'll move forward, it'll back up. You know, but until I can take it up the road and drive it, I don't know. I'm hoping that everything is good on it, man. But that's the nature of the beast, man. If it ain't, I pull it out, put another one in it, man. I mean, I'm retired. I got the time to do it. Do I want to do it? Heck no. I kid you not. But, you know, I will do it if I have to, because I'm too far in the game to stop right now. So, you know, I just wanted to shout y'all out today. And, okay, I'm hearing folk pulling up. I don't need nobody to pull up on me with my back turned. But, yeah, I'm just, you know, working on it. Yeah, another thing, man, check this out. One of the reasons why I'm glad to get the top off of it. Y'all see the top on that truck, don't you? And I got a lot of the cowl stripped down. You know, I got to do a lot more on that, you know. But y'all see that top coming along pretty good. This is the type of stuff that I'm excited about doing, man. You know, pull that cowl out, clean all up underneath it, where, you know, you can still see the color and the rust. I want to clean all of that out. I'm gonna get the windshield out because I still got some repair up in there. I got a little bit on this side right here, got to be done. I can get in there to that dashboard and clean it up. It's an ongoing project. The process is long, but you know, you look at what I got, and a lot of y'all know where I come from. So I'm not gonna hold this video much longer because I got a lot of other stuff that I want to do today. Hopefully, I have my power brake boost and master cylinder kit should be here sometime. I don't know. You know, these people tell you one thing is like my cold air. I supposed to got it yesterday. I waited all day for Amazon to smile at people. And they come last night with a flashlight sitting it on my porch. So you're at the mercy of that type of stuff too. So look, if you're new to the video, if you stayed around this long, like it, give me some thumbs up, man. Let's see if we can't get this stuff, man, the algorithm build up. Likes is one of the things that do it. Let me get some thumbs up. Tell somebody about this channel, man. I love to one day be able to make a few dollars on it. But, you know, if I don't, I still love what I'm doing. So I'm going to close this video out. And until the next one, y'all guys know who this is. It's built on the budget. And how we do it? Peace. Hey, did I give y'all a money shot? Let me give y'all a money shot.